my tray of mocha cafe from Starbucks. I love it. As easy as 1, 2, 3. Love it. There's a sachet inside. It's for 4 stick rich and chocolatey. Let's unbox it. You see what? Caffe Mocha premium mixes. Okay, what we have here, Caffe Mocha. It's a Starbucks Mocha Cafe. It's easy. Let's try and do it. Let's start. Put the cafe. Put the sachet. Look at that. Very easy. Look at that. Wow. The mocha looks so rich and chocolatey. Stir. Wow. The foam flow. Frosty and yum. It's yum. Enjoy. Let's enjoy. Enjoy the mocha. Enjoy. What a yummy. Let's start. This is the Caffe Mocha. Look at that. Very rich, chocolatey, and yummy. Put it up. Yeah. See how? Wow. Look at that. Very rich. It's just to taste the same as what we do, what we drink at Starbucks Coffee outlet. Just easy as 1, 2, 3. Stir. Stir. Very rich and very chocolatey. Stir, stir. You need a barista. You can be your own barista at home. Look at that, very rich. Look at that. That's from the foam. It's a little bit like inspired by Starbucks Caffe Mocha. It's crafted this rich chocolatey beverage for you to prepare at home using the same high quality Arabica. It's Arabica as our same as our coffee house, expertly blended together with dairy milk and cocoa. No need to put any milk anymore, and it's just nice soft layer of the foam for you to enjoy deliciously familiar Starbucks beverage. See the foam? Wow, I love it. See how rich is that? Mocha Starbucks Caffe Coffee is done. As easy as 1, 2, 3. Just put the water. Again, put the water. Put the sachet. 1 sachet. 1 sachet. Caffe Mocha. And enjoy. Look at that. Creamy, yummy, delicious, chocolatey. Foam. Look at that. It's yummy. Same as you drink at the coffee house at the Starbucks. It's the same great taste. What a refreshing coffee on the rainy day. It's yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum,